Launch Tenorshare PassFab for PPT after installation. You will see its main interface. Click on Recover PPT Open Password. Then, click Add button to import the encrypted PowerPoint file you need to decrypt. And select one of password recovery modes to recover PowerPoint Open Password. If you can provide any clue about the forgotten password. Later click Settings to define the settings by yourself according to the possible password clues. Now hit Start button to start PassFab for PPT. After the progress completed, just close the box and exit the program, then use this password to access to the target or locked PPT file. Click on Remove PPT Restrict Editing. Click on Please import the PPT file or move your PPT file to the Add box. Hit Remove to start removing the password. Wait for a few seconds and your restriction password will be removed. Click on Open Folder option and you will see the new file named after the beginning of text. It's the same file, but have no restriction password anymore.